G'day, this is Dave from Setup Camp. Behind me is the first of its kind for Highline. It is a pod style off-road camper. Now, it is only a small little camper, as you can see. It is all about outside. This is effectively a bed on wheels with all those other bits and pieces crammed around the outside to make this a very functional off-road camper. Let's start with the back of the camper. Now, this is all about versatility and flexibility. What you're seeing here is a representation of perhaps what Highline think you might like in your van. Of course, the fridge is here, microwave's here, a bit of storage. If you turn around and say, well, I want my fridge over here and I don't want a microwave, I just want all storage, you can do that as well. Now, of course, it does come with a pull-out kitchen, as you see, a little 2-burner with a sink. The really cool part about this unit is if you turn around and say, well, I want to take my kitchen to the beach, you can. Just above the kitchen is the heartbeat of the camper. There is the projector battery management suite. It's pretty well standard in every Highline van. You have the hot water system control unit and also the emergency breakaway control unit as well. If you like your music, you've got external speakers if you want to be entertained a little bit more. You've got your TV control unit all through here. Plug that in, ready to go. The boudoir, where the magic happens. It is a queen size bed, very big mattress, very comfortable. Good storage, overhead cabinets here, a bit of storage on the side as well. There's a stereo in here, which of course runs the speakers on the outside, a bit of music on the inside. And also, nice little feature, 2-way radio. If you need to accommodate more than just yourselves, then you can option up for a rooftop tent, like this one. You could also go for it if you just want to have the best view in the house. The deep blue has a great 270-degree awning, so it gives you coverage over the kitchen area and around the side of the van. This is a lightweight off-road camper trailer. Its tear weight is just 1,320 kilos and a bore weight of just 100 kilos, but its ATM is 2,700 kilos. You can change that to whatever you need, but ultimately you can put more or less this entire van on top of this van again and still legally be able to tow it. This is the pointy end of the van. This is where the DO35 fully articulated off-road hitch lives. So you can basically have this van go in every direction behind the car, which is awesome. That's pretty well standard on the entire Highline range. It has the breakaway cable here and all the necessary cabling you expect that you're going to have in an off-road camper trailer. This is built on an intelligent engineering 6-inch Australian built laser welded chassis, so it's very, very strong and very capable of what you need to go. This may be a compact van, but you don't have to forego the luxuries. This has an outdoor shower, full hot water connected to an instant hot water system. It's a Fagati as well. It's built on Tico Tough Ride off-road suspension, so you can see it's got a great clearance in there. It's also got an 80-litre freshwater tank at the back. In my opinion, this is an awesome little off-road camper. It's lightweight, easy to tow, and will take you anywhere you want to go. If you want to find out more information, hit us up at setupcamp.com.au.